In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Bootstrap 4 environments for Angular 5. I'm going to use ng Bootstrap. Its current version is beta 9. Therefore, as specifications may change in the future, please understand that point. At first, we need to create a project by Angular/CLI. In command line, ng new your project name. Any project name will do. It will take some time. After creating the project, change directory into your project name. Here it is Ng5 Bootstrap 4 initial. Then type code. For starting Visual Studio Code, which is a popular code editor for Angular. Open another command line in the VS Code by typing Ctrl+@ key. Next we are going to install ng Bootstrap. Type npm install save at ng Bootstrap/ng Bootstrap. Next we need to get Bootstraps Stylesheet. In your browser, open ng Bootstrap homepage. Its URL is https://ngbootstrap.github.io/. Click Installation button. In Getting Started page, click Bootstrap CSS link. You will find Bootstrap CDN. Copy the line of CSS only. Back in the VS Code, open src directory in the left panel. You will find index.html file. Open this file and paste the copied line above the end tag of head. Save this file by typing Ctrl and S key. Next change directory into src/app directory in the left pane. Open appmodule.ts file and add. Import ngb module from @ng bootstrap/ng bootstrap. And add ngb module.for root, in @ng module statement. Save this file by typing Ctrl and S key. For testing, in the command line, start local server by typing ng-serve. Back in the browser, open the initial page by accessing http://localhost 4200. You will find the default page. Alright. Next we are going to add button component of Bootstrap. In the ng Bootstrap home page, click Demo button. Click button in the right components panel. You will find checkbox buttons as source codes. At first, copy HTML source code. Back in the VS Code, open app-component.html file. Delete the default HTML source code and paste the copied HTML. Again, back in the browser, open the TypeScript tab. Copy the local data of the named model. Back in the VS Code, open app-component.ts file. Paste the text in the app component class. Save this file by typing Ctrl and S key. Back in the browser, open again the initial page by accessing http://localhost 4200. There is no message. In this page, open the developer tool. There are errors. It seems to be related with ng model. Back in the VS Code, open appmodule.ts file. We are going to add forms module. Import forms module from @Angular/forms. And add forms module in @ng module statement. Save this file by typing Ctrl and S key. Again, back in the browser, there is no error in the console panel. Click the buttons, you will find changes of JSON text. Alright. Thank you for watching.